am Saritha. I work for M2P as a project manager. Before M2P, I was an educator with 15 years of experience. I was working in an international school in Kerala. During COVID, things were different and I was looking for better opportunities. At that time, I came to know about M2P and its Better Half program through one of my friends who is working in M2P. As far as I'm concerned, the transition from an educator to a project manager was not that easy. When I heard about Better Half, what my understanding was, Better Half creates an opportunity for women to recalibrate their skills through mentoring, supporting, uplifting and strengthening their domains. So I have applied. M2P offered me 3 months internship and I have to prove myself. I had nothing but my confidence and courage to take up challenges. Empathy is very important in every workplace. During my 2 months internship, what I have experienced is M2P's wonderful work culture. Each and every team member, they know how to support a person who is coming from an entirely different field, and I have to unlearn something, relearn something, and the support they have given, I think no other organization can support a person who is coming after career break. That was really wonderful for me. And thank you M2P for making me achieve what I am now. If you are a woman who would like to restart or reignite your career, M2P would be a right place for you. That's what I recommend. I am a comeback queen.